So for tonight, you are going to recite your weekly story entitled Trusting Tracy. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Risa will start.
Trusting Tracy. Everyone trusted Tracy. She always told the truth. She treated people nicely. She was a true friend. Travis wants to climb a tree. It was a lot of trouble. It was tricky up to travel up. It was a long trip up to the treetop.
Okay, very good. Next, Joanne.
Trusting Tracy. Everyone trusted Tracy. She always told the truth. She treated people nicely. She was a true friend. Travis wants to climb a tree. It was a lot of trouble.
안녕하세요. Are you ready, regular students? Yes, we're ready. Yes, ready, yes. The title of the story is Sharing.
Wendy and Taylor's sister.
Hi, I'm Wendy.
I'm Tyler.
Wendy does everything Tyler does. When Taylor is eating cake, Wendy wants it too.
Taylor gives this cake to Wendy.
When Taylor is eating a burger, Wendy wants this too. Taylor gives half his burger to Wendy.
Wendy gets half an ice cream. She gets a half juice can.
Thanks.
Welcome.
She gets half the time to speak. Wendy and Taylor share everything.
Okay, students. So, mag-start na ta og recite sa inyong story. So, unsa kay title sa inyong story?
Lily and Miko story.
Okay, so arita mag-start ni Mary Kit hantod kamong tanan maka-recite. So, dapat kanang try your best if na fulfill na ba ninyo yung task nga ma-memorize ang story. So, arita Mary Kit.
Lily and Miko story. Once there was a curious girl named Lily. She had a pet parrot named Miko who loves to imitate her words. One day, Lily found a mysterious map in her attic. It had a vibrant symbol that indicated hidden treasure. With excitement, she followed the map to a secluded place. Cave. To a secluded place. Cave lagi. To a secluded cave. She unlocked the chest, gasped to the sight of gold coins and shimmering jewels. Inside was also a note reminding to appreciate the true treasures in life like friendship and love.
Okay, very good, Mary Kit. So, arita ni Chloe. Okay. Sige na.
Lily and Miko story. Once there was a curious girl named Lily. She had a pet parrot named Miko who loved to imitate her words. One day, Lily found a mysterious map in her attic. It had a vibrant symbol that indicated a hidden treasure.
Okay, good evening, students.
Good evening, Teacher Rosel.
Okay, you may take your seats.
Thank you, Teacher Rosel.
Okay, tonight you are going to draw regarding our story, The Flood. So, mag-drawing mo regarding sa atong story about sa flood. Unsa ang mga causes nga magbaha? Unsa man to sa akong discussions? Naa ang increased urbanization. Kung maingog increased urbanization, katong daghan na kayong gipantukod-tukod nga mga balay. Ang sunod, deforestation, katong mga kahoy, pamutlon. Dayon, third is katong bad farming nga practice. Na next is atong mga basura, patakaglabay. Dayon, climate change. O, mao na siya ay mga causes sa baha. So karon, either ato, magpili ra mo ato kung asa inyong ganahan i-draw. Okay? Start.